Alright, so I'm going to try and sound a little more enthusiastic in this video. I apologize for my monotone voice. So one of the really important things in Thrively is to interact with your students through Thrively. You have a few really easy ways of doing this. So I'm on the home page. Right here I have notifications. I happen to have a lot of them right now, which means I've been ignoring a lot of stuff, I guess. But in here, it's going to tell you if students have done a journal entry or engaged in an activity, something like that. So you can simply just click on their journal entry, and here you can give them a star, or you can comment on something that they responded. You can either type, do a audio recording, or a video recording to give them a comment. Another way of doing this is on the home page. If you scroll down, you'll see recent journals, and you can filter by class section. And you can leave a comment, give a star, same way, and you can see all journals too if you have a lot more recent journal entries than just 3. Or you can scroll through like this if you want to as well. So those are a few different ways to interact with your students through Thrively. And it's really important to do that to have the kids continue to come back and to engage in the playlists and the lessons and things like that.